Hi guys, I'm back,
Oh, you want to see
and this
something?
is my dog. Doge McPoverson. His name's Charlie, and he's so cute. He's a golden doodle, and I made a fort today that I'm gonna sleep in. So I might as well show you that. I'm gonna do a quick what's inside my baseball bag. So when you first see it, it's gonna look like this. Hopefully it's good. There's all of this space right here. So I'll go right there. Hopefully, oh my gosh, I gotta talk loud. There's copyright music on. And there's some gaming area, and also where I edit my videos. And yeah, and this is when I was little. So I'm gonna do a what's inside my bag, starting right. I 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3. Now, okay. So when you see my bag, it's gonna look kind of cool, okay? Because it has a lot of money put into it. So first, starting with the baseball bat, it's the Ghost X, price around $360 maybe, and of course it's USA approved. Good. It's 20 ounces and it's a 30-inch Ghost X Big Barrel composite bat by Easton. Next thing. Okay, sorry. I got my Easton X Series baseball glove, around $60, and it is an 11.5 pattern. And it's an outfielder's glove. It fits me really, really good. And yeah, that's for my glove. Next thing is my batting gloves. They're priced around $30. Mike Trout gloves, and they're pretty cool, you know. They look pretty cool, pretty worn, but I like them. Oh, and they also come in black. So that's that. Then I have my baseball helmet, bright yellow, a little bit big, yeah, the wearing, and it fits. And then my bag. And that's all. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Love you. Bye.